Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to do the coily version of the Afro kinky hairband for kids. This is a highly requested video, so I'm making use of my Brazilian wool to show this video, because obviously we can't use the kinky hair because it's something that cannot be coiled. So I'm making use of this Brazilian wool because it's something that can be coiled. So this is basically how to do it. Take your skewers, your rubber band, and just take out your Brazilian wool like so from the pack, and then just start coiling. I didn't have to start stretching the Brazilian wool because I feel like there was no need for that. So this is basically what you're going to be doing until you get to the very end of twisting it like so. So yes, like I said, this is a highly requested video, and I'm so sorry that I did not make the video on time. I just had a lot that I was doing at that time, so this is the video, okay? So yes, like I said, this is just what you're going to be doing until you get to the bottom part of the stick, and then you just want to take your scissors and cut it out like so. And I make use of my rubber band for securing it because that was just the easy way out. So yes, this is all that there is to it, and then I'm gonna show you how to do it one more time. Twist your hands like so. This is very easy. I feel like if you follow the steps, you'll be able to do it. I saw some comments previously when somebody said that this Brazilian wool is only nice on YouTube. That is not true, okay? If you watch this video very well, or if it's possible for you to be watching the video while you're making yours, you'll be able to, understand it better. So just make sure to follow each and every steps of the video. Like I said, twist your hands like that, and just until you get to the very end, cut it and use your rubber bands to secure it. If you follow each and every step listed in the video, you won't have to make that comment at all, trust me. So this is how the hair is looking like, and I am making use of my leave-in conditioner, Mega Growth leave-in conditioner for this. Make sure to take out the amount required and just rub it evenly until it spreads very well on the extension before we're going to be putting this in the hot water. So I'm just adding as much required leave-in conditioner. So because the hair couldn't get through to the bottom part of the bowl, I am just pouring it out and then taking it from the part there and then flipping it over to add more hot water. So this is what I was doing all the way, and I left this to dry on its own, which was the next day. And I took it out like so. Take out the rubber bands first before you start taking out your extension. So this is how the coils is looking like. It came out as I actually wanted it. So because I didn't want to just film this without showing you how it's looking like on my daughter's hair. Yes, her hair was not freshly cornrowed because I was just about to make something else differently. So I didn't have to start losing her hair and doing another cornrow. That would totally be stressful for her. So for the sake of the video, and because I wanted you all to see how it is looking like on her head, I just had to film that part. So please do not come to my comments and start saying that her hair was not freshly cornrowed. For the sake of the video and for you all, I just wanted you to see how the hair is looking like on a toddler head, okay? So let's move on. So this is how the coils is looking like, and this is the rubber band that I'm going to be using for this video, which is what I actually used for the previous one for the kinky version. So for this coily version, which is highly requested, I'm also going to be using this. The only difference is that I'm making use of Brazilian wool because it's actually for the coily version, okay? So because I wanted this to be long, I only cut it just twice like so, and this is how it is looking like. But if you want it shorter, make sure to coil it because I wanted it to be longer, I only cut it just once. So if you want it shorter, cut it twice. Like when you fold, you cut it, and then you fold again and you cut it. So this is what I am going to be doing all the way until I am done. If you like what you're seeing already, why not give this video a huge thumbs up, okay, so that I can get to as much required number of people that actually wanted this video or that wants a video like this. So if you're going to do this loop, do not do it once, do it twice, like so. Once you pass it through, twist your hands and then pass it all the way again. Don't just have a loop just once, don't just loop it once, loop it twice, so that the hair will not start losing later on. So this is basically what you're going to be doing. So I'm just going to allow you guys watch this video and let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. Where are you watching this video from? Which country are you watching this from? And what other kind of video would you like to see next on my channel? And I'll definitely make one for you all. So lovelies, just keep on watching.
As long as it's with you, as long as it's with you. Next year will be close. I will wait as long as it's for you.
So this is how the hair is looking like. All I did was to trim it to the desired just the same method on which I did for the other one, which is the Afro Kinky. So you just trim it. If you want it longer, you trim it, or you leave it, or if you want it shorter, you can trim it. So this was the size that I wanted, so I trimmed it like that. So I'm just going to put this on my toddler hair for you to see. And yes, like I said, our hair was not freshly cornrowed because I wanted to do something different. Okay, so just for you all to see how it's looking like. So this is how you just attach it to your toddler hair. Then you can just go by to trim it the way you want. You can see how very full it is. So if you want it not, if you don't want it to be as full as this, and you want to do, you know, a lot, maybe 2 buns on the side, then that's totally fine. But for the sake of the video and for those that wanted to see the curly version, so this is how the curly version is with Brazilian bowl. Let me know what you think about this video. Is it something you're going to be trying out for your toddler? And yes, I feel like it's something you'd be able to do if you follow each and every steps that was listed in this video. So lovelies, that is all for today. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for the amazing 19,000 subscribers. You guys are the best. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And also Merry Christmas and Happy New Year in advance. I'll see you all in my next video. Thank you for an amazing 2023. You guys are totally the best. And thank you so much. All right, lovelies, see you all in my next video.
Me with anybody else as we close out the night underneath